Wise recipient not received transfer. What to do? Hi everyone, today I'll show you what to do if your Wise recipient hasn't received the transfer. Step 1. Check the transfer status. Open Wise and check whether the transfer is pending, processing, or completed. Step 2. Review the arrival time. Banks may take extra time to credit the money, especially for international transfers. Step 3. Verify recipient details. Double check all bank details to make sure nothing is incorrect. Step 4. Ask the recipient to contact their bank. They should provide a wise transfer reference so the bank can trace it. Step 5. Contact Wise Support. If the transfer is overdue and the bank can't locate it, contact Wise Support in the app. Tips: International transfers take longer. Always double check details and save the transfer reference.